Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing a strut bar on the 240. Goes from strut tower to strut tower. Helps stiffen up the body to make sure there's no body roll when taking hard corners or sliding around. So this is the engine bay as it stands. I got a 14mm socket. Just going to take the bolts off and put the strut bar back on. It was on there before I got the motor rebuilt, but they obviously took it off to take the motor out, and they just didn't put it back on, which is fine, no problem. I could put it back on, and you guys are about to see, so stand by. And there you have it, the strut bar is installed. Gives the engine bay just a little bit different of a look, a little more aggressive. Lets it handle a little more aggressive too. I know you guys didn't really get to get a good look at the engine bay last time, so here this is. There's a lot still I got to do in here. Clean up everything, go back in, repolish a lot of stuff. I got to move my power steering fluid reservoir. I think I'm going to move it a little bit over here somewhere. I'm going to either get a new container, longer hoses, and move it. Also going to get an electric radiator fan, just to free up some space in there, make it look a little cleaner. Like I said, this is just my daily driver / track car, so just trying to get the best out of it. Alright guys, that's the end of the strut bar install video. A little dirt on my lip, it looks like. That's about it. Just make sure to like, subscribe, comment, any suggestions of what I should do next to the car, any suggestions on anything really, or if you want to comment anything. I'm new to this, so I'm learning a lot of stuff as I go. I know some things, more backyard stuff, but learning as I go, so you guys are along for the ride. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Alright, thanks for watching.